Honestly, guys, I've been holding on to these really long, like literally since last year, and I'm finally going to open them. So if you want to see what we get, stay tuned. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna. You can call me Jay. Wherever you guys are out there in the world, I hope you're having a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Today we're going to be opening these McDonald's 25th anniversary edition Pokemon packs. I got these last year. I believe it came out around May, April-ish May in Canada. I know in the US you guys got them like, for all my US friends, you guys got them like earlier in the year in 2021. In Canada, we got it late, probably because of the supply, because of COVID. But here we are. I saved as much as I could from last year and we're going to open them. I had a plan on like opening them last year, but I never was able to get a lot. And my wife was like, you know what, let's just, get Happy Meals every now and then we'll just save them for whenever you're ready to open it. And I'm like, okay. So if I'm not mistaken, I think I have about 30-40 packs right here. And if I'm not mistaken, there are 25 holographic starter Pokemons you can get. And a lot of people, they collect the starter holos and the non-holos. So technically speaking, there's like about 50 cards. Each pack, I think, has 4 cards in them. So we'll go ahead and see what we can get and take it from there, all right? Now, of course, there's a lot of packs, so don't worry. I'm going to take care of all the editing. I'll just go through this real fast, opening all these packs. Well, just like the first, these things. And yeah, I'll take care of that, and I'll see you guys in 2 seconds, all right? Maybe 2. Alright guys, so that is it. I haven't counted them yet, but I'm gonna say there are about 40 packs right here of the 25th anniversary McDonald's starter packs. Let's go right in. We're trying to look for all the holographic starter Pokemon, including the Pikachu. So from Bulbasaur all the way down to Sobble. Sobble should be the last guy right there. And let's dive right in, alright? So here's our first pack. We got a Holo Bulbasaur. There we go. Trico, Fennekin, and Oshawott. Alright, so I opened it backwards. So that means the rare is there. So I'm gonna have to try to open this without looking at it. Alright, so let's do this. JPEG. There we go. So I guess I gotta figure out how to way to do it. I think I might have to cut these. So anyways, we got Tapeg, Charmander, Chikorita, and Turtwig. There has to be a way to look at these without... I don't want to cut them with the scissors, but okay. Give me a second. Let me think about this for a second. Okay, I think I can rip them. So I'm going to rip them from the top. Hopefully I don't damage the card, and then I'll just reverse it and pull it out. So I'll put these 2 here. There we go. That's easy. It's not like your regular packs where like you gotta pull them. I think these ones you can like you can just rip them. They're kind of like paper. So let's see what we get. There's one more card. Shoot, where was this? Was this in the front? Let's put this in the back. Okay, Chikorita. Chikorita, Snivy, Chikorita again, and Totodile. Look at that. They got that 25th anniversary logo right there. Okay, so let me do that again without messing up this time. So I'm gonna open it this way. And I'm gonna pull out all 4 cards. Put the front to the back and flip. All right, there we go. Rocket science, right? Grookey, Sobble, Torchic, And our Rowlet. There we go. We got 3 of the Grass Starters holographic. Now we got to get the rest. So, I always got to remember to do it this way. What do we get? 1 to the back. We got Trico, Chikorita, Mudkip, and Sobble. Nice. I wonder if anyone had a chance to open the celebration cards yet, because those are out, and I saw some of the people that pulled some nice cards, and whoa, I just can't wait. I can't wait to like pull like a Charizard or a Blastoise or a Venusaur. Those are gonna be epic. But if I find them, I'll find them when I get to it. Okay, so 1 to the back. We got Trico, Poplio, Torchic, and Totodile. Nice, so we got 1 of each so far. Fun fact, Totodile was my first Pokemon that I chose in the Johto region for Pokemon Gold and Silver, and my brother took Cyndaquil, but hands down Totodile in my book was the best, hands down. So we got Bulbasaur, Cyndaquil, Oshawott, and Chespin. Nice. Those grass-type Pokemon, the grass-type Pokemon are really coming out here, damn. Alright. Let's see what we got. Didn't look, I promise. 1 to the back. Trico, Poplio, Torchic, and Oshawott. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So far it's 1 of each. What's our luck like just to get 1 of each so far? Just because I said that, I'm gonna jinx it now. Watch. Let's go. 1 to the back. We got a Charmander, Fennekin, Chimchar. Is this a fire pack? That'll be so dope if it's a fire pack. Piplup. Of course a water guy comes out. Alright. On to the next one. Oh, that was nice and snug. So we got a Grookey, Sobble, Litten, and a Grookey again. Nice. Man, I can't wait to do a recap, because literally these guys stopped printing these Pokemon 25th anniversary at McDonald's, and if I'm missing anything, I gotta really check eBay to get the rest. Oh my god, this is tough. Okay, there we go. 1 to the back. We got Charmander, Chespin, Oshawott, and Rowlet. You know what? That is our first duplicate right there. Nice. I'm okay with that. I'm actually okay with that. Okay. Oh, I gotta be careful. Oh, I think I messed it up. No, I didn't. Oh, I think I did. There we go. There we go, I got all of them. So 1 to the back. We got Grookey, Tapeg, Oshawott, and Turtwig. Nice. These grass-type Pokemon are taking over. Where are my fire boys at? Alright. We got Grookey, Chespin, Rowlet, Fennekin. There we go. Coming back with some fire-type Pokemon. Let's see what we got here. Oh, bit. There we go. Oh, this is so difficult. Why is this so difficult? One to the back. Got Bulbasaur, Cyndaquil, Chimchar, and Mudkip. Okay, okay. I'm gonna have to like make some more space. Remember guys, we're looking for 25 of these. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12. We got half of the holos. So out of all the starter Pokemon and Pikachu, we got half of them. So we got another half to go. So now it's going to start getting more difficult because we're going to probably see more duplicates. We're probably going to see a lot of, you know, 3 of a kinds for, well, hopefully we don't, but let's just see what we get. One to the back. Snivy, Sobble, Litten, and a Snivy Holo. Nice. Oh, there we go. I think I just spoiled it for myself. I think I know what that was. One to the back. We got Piplup, Chespin, Rowlet, and a Trico. Nice. Come on, Fire Boys. Give me a Holo Charmander. Oh my god. I'm butchering this pack opening. Okay. We got Trico, Chikorita, Oshawott, Froakie. Okay. Okay. Okay, one to the back. We got Pikachu, Fennekin, Rowlet, and a Turtwig. That's another duplicate right there. But we'll take it. We'll take it. Oh, this is a weird pack. Come on, come on. Oh, that was nice and stuck. So one to the back. Oh, our first Pikachu, and this is like a Pikachu non-holo. Now that's really rare actually. So we got a Pikachu, we got a Chespin, we got a Turtwig, and we got a Grookey. We gotta give the Pikachu a special spot right there since that was the first one. So we'll leave that one right there. Oh, wrong way. Oh, this is stuck. Come on, come on. Why is it stuck? Oh, there we go. One to the back. We got a Froakie. We got a Tapeg, a Torchic, and a Mudkip. Nice. Let's open it this way. Oh, this one's stuck in here too. A lot of these packs are stuck. Probably because like I bought them like so long ago and I'm just opening them. So one to the back. We got a Charmander. We got a Squirtle. We got an Oshawott. And we got a Bulbasaur. Okay. Next pack. Whoa. Whoa. Some of these cards are like all over the place. This way. Yep, this one's stuck. There we go. So, one to the back. We got Snivy, Chikorita, Torchic, and we got a Fennekin. Not the Fire Boy we wanted, but we'll still take him. Like, we got Fennekin 2 times, and we got a Tapeg. So that's generation 5 and 6. We still need everywhere else. Okay. One to the back. So a lot of mess we gotta clean up. I hope my wife doesn't get pissed. We got a Piplup, Poplio, Chimchar, and a Charmander. There we go, Fireboy right here. Let's go. Next pack. One to the back. We got Charmander, Chespin, Litten, and a Rowlet. Okay, next pack. Man, I would like to at least see a shiny Pikachu. That'd be pretty cool. There we go. So one to the back. We got a Trico, Tapeg, Turtwig, and a Tapeg. Nice. I think we got that the first time around. Nice. These packs are really getting difficult to open. Wow. One to the back. Pikachu again, but not the holographic one. So we got a Pikachu. We'll put that in a special spot right here. We got Poplio. We got Oshawott. And we got a Grookey. So we got 2 Pikachus non-holo. Those are really rare. Like, wow. I had no idea. Okay. One to the back. We got a Froakie. We got a Cyndaquil. We got a Mudkip. And we got a Tapeg Holo. That's our 3rd one. Oh my god. I gotta get some more Fireboys in here. Okay. Come on, come on. There we go. One to the back. We got Piplup, Tapeg, Chimchar, and Charmander. I can take a Charmander, but at least give me one of each first, and then I'll take everyone else again. Like, come on, guys. Come on. Okay. One to the back. We got Grookey. We got Squirtle. We got Turtwig. And we got Squirtle again. Wait, no. I think this is our first Squirtle. Yep, I think that's our first Squirtle. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Give me some new cards. Okay. One to the back. Pikachu again, non-holo. Special section right here. Squirtle, Scorbunny, Chimchar. That's a Fireboy I was looking for. Nice. We got a Generation 4 starter right there, finally. Next pack. Put one to the back. Let's see what we get. Snivy, Squirtle, Torchic, and a Mudkip. Okay, okay. Oh, look at that. These 2 packs are ending up in... I've made 2 piles, and both of them have Mudkips at the top. That's pretty cool. Like, what are the odds? Come on, here we go. One to the back. We got Froakie, Poplio, Scorbunny, and Froakie. Nice. One to the back. We got Piplup, Tapeg, Mudkip, and Charmander. Okay, so how many packs we have left? We got 6 packs. All right, so this is the 6th pack. Let's see what we get. So one to the back. We got Piplup, Cyndaquil, Torchic, Poplio Hollow. Nice. Okay. On to the back. So we got Bulbasaur, Poplio, Scorbunny, Bulbasaur. Of course, Bulbasaur. I shouldn't be hating on Bulbasaur because Bulbasaur like beats like what, the first 4 or 5 gym leaders in the original Pokemon game. Like, you don't want to mess with Bulbasaur. Like, Bulbasaur will mess your stuff up. Okay, that was hard. So one to the back. Bulbasaur, Poplio, Litten, Chimchar Hollow. Nice. We're getting a lot of duplicate Fire-type Pokemons. Let's see what we get here. One to the back. We got Trico, Cyndaquil, Turtwig, Grookey. Okay. We got 2 more packs left, so let's see what we get, guys. Last 2 packs. Pikachu has to be here. They always save the dramatic ones last. I'm telling you. So first one. To the back. We got Charmander, Chikorita, Turtwig, holographic. Okay. Last pack magic. Comment down below what you guys think this might is, and you know, we'll take it from there. I'm really hoping it's a Pikachu. I'll take a Pikachu. On to the back. Piplup, Cyndaquil, Chimchar, Totodile. Okay. It's not a Pikachu, but you know what? I'll take the non-holos. I got 3 of them. I'm okay with that. So let me go ahead and clean all this mess up, and then we'll do a recap. All right, guys? Okay, guys. So I went ahead and organized everything. So basically, we have all the holos for the grass type starters. We have all the holos for the water type starters. The fire type, we're missing Cyndaquil Hollow, Torchic Hollow, Litten Hollow, and Scorbunny Hollow. 4 Fire Boys are the only thing that we're missing. I'm sure we have all the non-holos there, but it's just those Fire Boys, like just those 4. So Generation 2, Generation 3, Generation 7, and Generation 8. It is what it is. I mean, I'll take it. I just gotta go check eBay and, you know, see how much you're going for and just make sure I complete my set. Oh, and not to forget the Pikachu Hollow. That's the main guy right there. I got 3 non-holos, but I still need that Pikachu Hollow. So that's 5 cards that I need. 4 fire types and 1 electric type. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below on what your favorite McDonald's 25th anniversary starter card is. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos. And wherever you guys are out there in the world, have a good morning, have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.